Hey everybody, welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel. And throughout this year, I've been trying to find a way or direction for this channel. It has a mix of all sorts of videos to help out. But I've been trying to find a sense of direction where it could be interesting for all of you. One of the things I've been thinking about this channel is to focus it a little more on tech news, what's happening in the world of tech, and keep it alive in some way, because I've been there have been many weeks where I haven't posted much, but I want to keep this channel alive, and one of the reasons is because of you watching, of course, because there's an audience out there. So in 2021, I hope to move this channel forward and try to increase the output of videos and the whatever could be interesting for all of you out there. I want to take this opportunity to first of all thank everybody that's been following here and that's been watching my videos, but I also want to wish everybody on this channel a great and fantastic New Year 2021 to you, to your friends and family. And let's hope that moving forward in 2021, things are a lot better than this very weird year that we actually lived through, which was 2020. So my promise to you is more content, and hopefully you'll enjoy what is on the channel. Hope that you stay safe, and hope that everything is well. Happy New Year, everybody.